Hello and welcome to this video for Applied Math 40S students taking personal finance. This is just a quick look at the rule of 72. The rule of 72 is used sometimes by people when they want to quickly estimate how long it's going to take to double an investment in value. Formally, the rule of 72 says if you multiply the interest rate of any investment by the number of years of the investment, if you multiply those together and the answer equals 72, then that's the approximate number of years it will take for your investment to double in value. You can figure out using your graphing calculator and the TVM solver exactly how long it would take to double in value, but the rule of 72 is used if you don't have a graphing calculator handy. It's good for quick approximations. So we'll look at a few different examples here. In example 1, if you invest $3,000 in an investment that pays 5% interest, state the approximate, that's the key word there, number of years it would take that investment to double in value. So we know the investment percentage times the years. If that equals 72, that's about how long it'll take to double in value. So we can resolve this. We want to know the number of years, so we just bring the percentage over and divide it on both sides. So the number of years is 72 divided by whatever the investment's rate of return is, annual rate of return. So we go 72 divided by 5, and we get, I'm just going to do that on my calculator really quick, approximately 14.4 years. So an investment at 5% interest would take approximately 14.4 years to double. Notice we didn't use the 3,000. It doesn't matter how much it is. It would take $1, 14.4 years to double to $2, just like it would take $3,000, 14.4 years to double to $6,000. We're just talking multiples and not specific amounts. Doing this again kind of backwards, if you invest money for 7 years, what interest rate would you need to receive to have your investment have your investment value double in that time? You'll notice we don't even mention an amount of the investment here. We just want to know what interest rate do we need to have it double in 7 years. So again, the percent times the years, if that equals 72, that's how long it takes that investment to double. We can solve this now for the interest rate by bringing the y over and dividing both sides by y. So I see that the percentage I need is equal to 72 divided by the number of years. So for this question, we get 72 divided by 7. And 72 divided by 7 is, it's 10.285 rounding to 2 decimal places, which is normal in the applied math course. We're going to go with 10.29% is approximately the interest rate you would need to double your money in 10 years. I'm sorry, in 7 years. And then this last one, they've done this on an exam a couple of times, so we want to take a look at it here. It says you invest $1,500 in an investment option that pays 6.5% interest. Approximately how many years would it take for your investment to be worth $12,000? Well, let's see how long it would take for this to double. The years would be 72 divided by 6.5%, like you saw on the other slide. So 72 divided by 6.5 is about, it's 11.08 years. So it would take 11.08 years to double. Well, let's look at what happens. If we take 1,500 and we double it, that gives us 3,000. If we double 3,000, that gives us 6,000. If we double 6,000, that gives us 12,000. Now, if we're at the same interest rate, remember it's going to take 11.08 years to double once. It'll take another 11.08 years to double again from 3 to 6. It'll take another 11.08 years to double to the final $12,000. So you just do 11.08 times 3, and it will take approximately 33.24 years to grow from $1,500 to $12,000. Note that only worked because when we start doubling this, we end up at our final amount. If they said something here like $13,000, you could really estimate, or you could go to your TVM solver. I hope that helps with a weird little topic, and thanks for watching the video.